I'm at the base.
All right, guys. So now today, welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. We now came in for a dinner today. As you can see, I'm already done with my plate. I'm almost done. My wife is eating something there.
Something. It has a name. It's called
Lemongrass is for her. Right. So that's our waiter saving us.
I'm happy for you.
That is the lemongrass for her. Right. Baby, what is this? Which one is this?
Banana split.
Banana?
Banana split.
Banana squid.
Yeah, it's a
Squid.
beef burger.
Split.
Or split or squid?
Split.
Split. Oh,
S-P-I-L.
oh split. Banana
Give me my
split.
wood.
Okay.
Give me what
Beef
my
burger
Beef burger, yeah.
and lemongrass mojito.
Man?
Lemongrass mojito.
Lemon?
Lemongrass mojito.
Oh, lemongrass.
Yeah, mojito.
Lemongrass.
Mojito.
Yeah! You're eating lemongrass.
Chicken biryani lamb shank
Uh-huh.
grass, guys.
and carrot milk.
Carrot milk. Carrot what?
Carrot milk.
Carrot milk.
Yeah.
And
lamb
guys,
chop.
guys, look.
And this is lamb chop.
Guys, look. They don't want to wash the dishes, ne? They gave us on the plastic cup.
Uh-huh. So that when it's done, they will throw it away. Okay, all right. So now we're eating, guys. We're eating.
Oh my god.
So look at this girl. She ordered lemongrass. Lemongrass. What?
Lemongrass.
She's eating lemongrass. Eee! Look at this girl. What are you eating? She's done. Already done. All right. So guys, let us enjoy ourselves.
Just enjoy.
My boy is playing games while we are waiting for food. I think his meal is here. Yes, okay, that is his for my boy. All right, my boy. So that's your meal. Sort them
But
out.
this ain't warm for us.
This sort them out, my boy.
Is when I eat it. What?
All right. So you can see, guys. So we are actually eating now. So we need to eat, all of us.
Get another one.
Yeah, I can order. All right. So my baby is not enough. She wants to order another one. Right.
They gave us
So
some.
that's my wife. They're eating as well.
Nah, guys. I get it, I get it more Malaysia. So since I get your Malaysian style,
Aha.
so who gonna hold it so more like a good so in Malaysian style.
Malaysian style.
Aha. So you got to get over had one piece. Bajaba young and Kinyago Jau.
Wabona.
This is how it looks.
Right, so guys, so we are eating now, guys. We're eating. We are actually eating in a very beautiful place. This is bistro. In a bistro in Malaysia, right? In Kuala Lumpur, right? As you can see, this side, we are actually in town. This is in CBD in town, right? So let us quickly enjoy our meal. Where's my fork? All right. So there's my fork, guys.
Yeah, but I just need to
I'm actually gonna be eating this because of I actually had to my spoon. So I'm able to get it. I was able to get it. All right. So
They gave us too much. They gave us too much food.
they gave us too much food,
Too much.
but you need to eat.
Yeah, let me just fill up my inventory. Mom, can you ask them for another one?
How's your burger, mama?
I only ate the chips. Yeah?
How's your food? How was your food?
Very nice. I want more. Yes. Mom, can you tell them to let me put it? Daddy, can you tell them? No doggy bag here in this house.
No, she want takeaway. Actually, put it together on a takeaway. Yeah, takeaway. Yeah, put together.
Can you tell them?
She'll eat. Yes.
When I get home.
Don't be scared.
Why can't they don't want to do this doggy bag thing?
Don't be
Guys,
scared.
why basanya ko ira doggy bag thing?
No.
I can understand it because abanya ko ira doggy bag. But they like before keep up with the doggy bag already but I can't the jota can make it right.
When I saw when she was very shy. So how is the burger? The burger very good. That burger looks so delicious, baby.
Right here.
Is it nice?
Do you like it, babe?
My babe. So when are you finish your food so quickly?
It was small.
Did you make
It was what?
Very, very small.
No, it was not small, that milk.
No.
Look at how deep your plate is.
They make the plate
Thank
look
you.
big so you can think you're eating a lot. When it goes in your body, you'll be still hungry. Yeah, like another one. Can I tell them to give me another one?
She said,
Oh,
she
yeah.
said they gave us small food. Small food, guys. I don't understand. How did they give us small food? Maybe can please take me while I'm eating.
You gave us small food, so it's one small. It's one small because you gave us small food.
He's saying you gave her small food, so she want more.
Want
No,
another
man,
one?
kijk wat they doen. Dit is een lauw dus on
Okay, baby, please take me. Baby.
Huh?
All right, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. I just want to say she wants another one.
This one.
Yeah, that's
The
all.
same noodles, huh?
Yes, thank you. It's nice. No chili in there, remember?
So now I've been looking at them eating, and for me, I have never eaten. So it's
Yo,
my turn.
baby, why only pila so uja?
I have to eat.
Why is that so much pila so aja? Hi, batong. Muthu pila so aja. Hi, batong. Kanjani? Uja ube pila yana. Ka yang. I can understand why is it.
It has to be nice.
Jo o pela jwang le background ya hao babe. Woo! Ai nna the time o ntsa nna ne ke sing so. Le background ya kana sing pila so.
Okay, why is that on food? On that video, I saw
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
when I took you.
Mane ro pila hlang.
When I took you.
Yo unkgopotsa the day we first met yazi.
You can just say slash.
Okay, well,
Come go why it's again. You.
when I took your video, you were looking so beautiful.
I don't know more drinking more karuna di nundu. Babe ko sa lang ka drink out. You scared? Oh. Baby, why it's her baby then when?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
How is it?
Don't tag me.
How is it?
Take my I want
Hey Bo. Hey Bo. What's up? Ka drink out.
Let's go. Let's go.
you don't want it?
What's up lang ka drink out my babe? Huh? It's not nice, ne?
Is the drink not nice? How can you eat grass well? How can you eat grass well?
Even why did you order grass?
Stop mixing.
Even your phone.
It has noodles. Let me put my phone on.
They drink have some noodles, guys.
We're close, we're close.
Hey, drink have noodles. Hey, we must I give you another one. My baby wants to have another drink because this one have noodles.
Where's the noodles?
I told you. I'm not going to discuss it again. How probably I want you.
It's not noodles. I get this one filter.
Come again.
Juice, put it on. I get in the filter.
Okay, what is inside there? Can you explain this? Because I want these people to understand.
No,
Grasses and the mint
listen.
leaves.
Either juice or coke.
It have mint leaves and what?
Mint leaves and the mineral soda.
Mineral soda
Mint soda.
and the mint soda
And the Sprite.
and the Sprite
Sparkling water.
and sparkling water
So sugar
and the what?
and sugar
Sugar
and syrup.
and syrup. Syrup what?
It's like a flavor. Lemon
Le-
flavor. The
oh.
Malaysian called syrup.
But she's eating.
Oh wait. It's like she's getting used to it.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No need.
This one.
Are you getting used to it, baby?
No, no need. It's okay.
Okay, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
She's getting used to it
It's
now.
not nutrition drink.
It's what?
good for health.
It's good for health.
Yeah, it's
Ooh,
Malaysian.
nutrition drink, my baby. Drink it. Thank you, sir.
It's good for your health, okay?
I'm not eating.